Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace shock absorbers on a Toyota Yaris. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a comprehensive socket set. Safely lift and support your Yaris on a level surface. Then, remove the wheel to gain clear access to the shock absorber assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure replacement process. Next, carefully disconnect any attached brake lines and the ABS sensor from the shock absorber body. Then, unbolt the lower mounting bolt that secures the shock to the control arm. Move to the engine bay and remove the upper mounting nuts from the shock tower. With these connections free, you can now carefully extract the old shock absorber from its housing. Now it's time to install the new shock absorber. If your new shock comes with a separate spring, you'll need to carefully compress it using a spring compressor. Guide the new shock into its position, securing the upper mounting nuts first. Then, reattach the lower mounting bolt to the control arm. Finally, reconnect the brake line and ABS sensor, ensuring all connections are tight. To complete the process, reinstall the wheel and carefully lower your Toyota Yaris from the jack stands. It's crucial to torque all bolts and nuts to the manufacturer's specified values for safety. Perform a thorough visual inspection to ensure no components are loose. Finally, take your Yaris for a short test drive to confirm the new shock absorbers are functioning correctly and providing a smooth ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.